Hello, Naya. Good morning. Morning, poor guy. What's up, Giddy? What's up, Giddy? Dennis, can you lay the other way? This is not good for me because I have to move my mouse, okay? Here, lay down like this. Morning, Anthony. This is what my Dennis is doing. Just chilling. I need a cat cam. Morning, profitable. Lower and lower than pop when Fed speaks. We'll see. This bottom still looks pretty good, right? All these lows. And we're making weird candle shapes. This doesn't look bullish to me. But maybe with FOMC we're gonna sweep the lows and then pop. Who knows? Asia moved like New York last night. It's the Korean stock market, man. It hit another circuit breaker yesterday. And I took advantage because I went short. I got 10 points. Where is it? Is it here? Right there. Beautiful 10 points right there. It just kept going and going. I lost this one because I thought it was going to come earlier, but it didn't. It's like I went short right there. It went up. I was like, oh no. And then it dipped. I was like, yes, here we go. And then it went back up. I'm like, oh no. And then it went back down. I'm like, yes, I'm going to get it this time. But it's like, nope. And then this was like 2 ticks off of my stop loss. And then it dipped again. I was like, okay, this time we're going. Nope. What, Dennis? Closing back inside the range here. Let's see how the market opens. Got killed pre-market. I thought it would be a straight uptrend. Who knows, man? Who knows the market's gonna give us today? FOMC day, so be careful. Looking at pre-market here on stocks, everything's red. SoFi down 6% pre-market. Hello. I'm not gonna take this trade because it's market open, but I think it could be a long actually. I think it's a long. It could dip to the purple line, but ultimately I think it's gonna go up if I were to take a trade, but I'm not gonna. Hello, Daryl. Two minutes until market open. You go long, I'll go short. Let's see what happens. I hope you're not talking to me. It's a long, it may be a quick drop at open. That's what I'm thinking. One minute left. Good luck. The market's about to open. We are coming down. Right now, I would want to see a pump right here. Right here. Pump, 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 pump. See, I think I was right. Because we saw a little bit of pump there. Morning RAF. Took it. Nice. Make that money, man. Dennis, why are you laying down this way? This is the bad way. Morning, James. Long time no see. Alright, we're going back up maybe. Long time no see. I see those green accounts, my friend. Oh, I wouldn't say I'm green at all, man. It just you just happen to stop by on a good day. Back to losing again. Just taking just got a little bit of a break during the Asia session. But I'm ready. I feel pretty good. Morning, Ola. You're not gonna trade today, Dean? Do you have to go to school? That big win only gives you $50. Oh, you mean the screenshot? That was on my Apex eval. So I kind of exaggerated the number a little bit there, but I won like 150. I was down 100 and then I won that 150, so I'm net 50. You don't do FOMC days? FOMC days are the best. Still waiting for 388. You've been waiting for that this whole week. We're chopping around already. Morning, Tris. Man, standing is not easy. Maybe I'm just that out of shape. My cat. He just full on. My cat is full on like decided to just chill right here. Oh my god. Let's put a cat cam for a little bit here. You're planning to buy? I don't know, man. It doesn't look too good. I'm waiting for 10 a.m. right now. Hello, W. Maybe it is a long. Seems pretty choppy though. We're falling. Anthony was right. Never doubt Anthony. Never doubt me too. You didn't give a call today. What's your read? Even if you're not gonna trade. Hey, Smooth. Chop and drop. Chop drop. I know you want to go short. I do not. I don't feel anything. At least not until 10 a.m. Would love it if it takes out the PDL. Both ES and NQ gives us 10 a.m. reversal. I don't think we're going to get there in time. I think we're not going to get there until FOMC. That is my guess. I'm ready to see what happens, man. I'm ready. I'm ready to take today's win farther and actually make some money. I'm really starting to like the micros, man. Like, I know I've been losing a lot, but it's like it hasn't blown my account. Well, Apex, I'm about to blow it. I'm very close, but the one that actually matters, I'm chilling. I mean, it doesn't mean I can just go full port, but I like it. I like it so far. I told you, bro. I've been telling you for months. I know. I'm stubborn. You know, sometimes you need constant reminders. Mental state greater than fast wins. Yes, that is true. I use micros because smaller size, but not because of the smaller size, but more than 10, easier management. Yeah. Yeah, if you you know, cut half and then leave a runner, all that stuff, then yeah, micros are good. But I don't do that, but still I think micros are great. I want a long but no proper setup. I don't think we're gonna swipe it. I was down a K back to only -100. I'm done. Nice. I mean, might as well call that break even, right? Like you could win or lose $100 so easily. But I would walk away right now, right about now. I put your name in the bottom left corner, Miss K, if you've noticed. Thank you for the support. I appreciate it. How old is Miss K? I mean, she says she's old enough to be my mom, so if that gives you an idea. Old enough to tell you all, don't ask the lady that. I'm almost a lady. Almost a lady? What does that mean? All right, 10 o'clock. I mean, there's no way we're gonna come up after this. We're gonna, what do you call it? We're gonna test the lows again. A lady in the street and a freak in the blank and the ... We could be getting 10 a.m. reversal right now. Right off the bat. That's where you draw the line. I mean, it said, I was reading it verbatim, you know? I didn't want to assume and fill in the blank myself. A freak in the charts. See? I knew it was something different. Good thing I didn't assume. Good thing I didn't make an ass out of you and me. Hopefully I get something here. Let's touch the purple line. Let's touch the purple line. Okay, 10 a.m. reversal right off the bat. I'm not gonna lie. If you're a freak in the charts, that's very unladylike. Because like trading is very degenerate, so I think it makes sense. Makes sense. W Unk jokes. We love those Unk jokes. I don't know. What are we thinking? We're very close to all these lows. We have to tap it. But maybe we'll do like a pullback for 10 a.m. Just because we are girls doesn't mean we can't trade these charts. Oh, we got another lady in here. Didn't know that. Well, 99% of the boys can't trade the trade or can't trade the charts. So I mean, you have the odds. Dean, I can just smell your hormones and puberty from like how you chat. Okay, let's cut it down here. Let's act more mature. Did you see my trade yesterday? 3RR. Are you really like glazing yourself right now? Less ego? Yeah, I would agree with that. I would even say the guys are even more emotional about their trades. They get triggered so easily. No glaze, just letting them know. Oh, they know. They know about your 3RR trade. Paper trades called live. Your name should be Paper ICT. Wait, hold on. ICT himself does paper trades too, so that's funny. Kind of ironic. Girls are mostly conservative, so they got advantage in risk management. I read that somewhere women are better suited to trading as men find it hard to accept they're wrong. I mean, I don't know. I do agree, but I also don't want to generalize, right? Because I'm sure there are degen gold traders out there. God, I swear I was so good about like everything that I believed in, my rules and everything for the last year and a half, but like I'm starting to unravel because of the happenings. I'm trying to get back on the boat. All right, we're going down. Maybe we'll sweep the lows right here. What is EQ? EQ is that thing that you switch up on your headset. Equalizer. Got him. There's a trading channel called Degen Rehab, and it's a woman. Oh, I think I know that channel. I've seen a few of her videos. Pretty cool. Teens taking over the space. I actually don't doubt that. I think whenever I see TikTok videos of trading, it's like all kids now. And I credit that to TJR. TJR or Dodgy. Alex G. Of course you would name all the All the big ones. Is that where you got your fantasy from? Well, it's not a fantasy for you, obviously. It's a goal. $1 million a month. Is a philosopher here? I don't think I saw him today, but I was gonna mention I saw that new prop firm Upcomers or something on Twitter. I was like, okay, now I know Upcomers. So many small ones popping up. PB trading, the youngest 21 years doing 100K a month. PB trading, peanut butter trading. I don't think I've heard of him. Where did Jerome go? He's on the fishing trip. Remember, he's gonna be gone this whole month or whole week. All right, here comes the drop. Ten AM reversal not really working today. Oh my god, this cat is just wreaking havoc on my desk. How am I gonna trade? PDL taken out on ES. Also PWL. Who said today's gonna be choppy before FOMC? Who said that? God, I got cat hair all over my face now. $30. Alright, could be getting a trade here. I'm gonna look for direction. See if this is gonna be a reversal back up or we're gonna keep dumping. We'll see. Finally, yeah, let's go. NQ still hasn't taken out PDL yet. NQ. Oh. Maybe NQ will never take it out. Create something called SMT. Bro knows ball. I told you I listen to ICT ASMR when I go to sleep. Alright, Dennis, let's get up. Go sleep somewhere else. I gotta do work. Okay? I gotta do work. Say hello to the chat. Gotta buy some cat food or lose money so I can't buy the cat food. Why do you have a spot on your chin? Oh. Waiting to see if this is gonna be a long or a short. How big are these moves? 26 to 20. Wow. Okay. So we are very volatile today. The range is huge, yeah. I mean, these two candles were 20 points. That's wild. kind of going down. I don't know. Could be a short. Yeah, I think it's a short. What's the... Alright, I'm gonna go short 74.16. I'm gonna aim for 7 points, but I would be okay with like 6. What's my SL? 7-point SL. So 74.24, 75 cents. Wait, maybe it's more than 7 points. It's like 9, right? Almost 9, yeah. NQ took PDL. I mean, because the range is so big, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that I'm going short, because I'm only looking to take advantage of a pullback, even if you go up. But I don't know. We're kind of coming back up, so I could change my mind here. Yeah, if we don't dump here, I'm not gonna take it. Or if we dump here, I'm gonna take it. If we go up, I'm not gonna take it. Yeah, it looks like we're dumping. All right, going short. My stop loss is like above the purple line a little bit. Your entry is almost at my stop loss. All right, we'll see. Is it long or short? It's short. Short at 74.16. My TP is like right here, but I'm gonna close it at 30 ticks. I'm gonna give it the rest of the hour to get filled, so I have plenty of time. Even if it dumps from here, I'm just gonna wait. The point is stress-free trades anyway, so whatever. If I lose, whatever. Stress-free. Oh my god, it's coming up. I'm getting nervous. If I lose this, I'm gonna quit trading. Morning, Kevin. Except for Dean and ICT. Didn't we say that Dean is ICT? God, what kind of candle is this? Or a candle formation, just like... Kind of looks like a reversal. That is not that high probability. Your SL is low resistant. Good luck. It is what it is, man. I leave it up to market gods. Dean is ICT's son. Is Dean the kid that he keeps talking off to the right or something? But that never makes a noise. I'm his father. Imagine that. Wow, I just needed to see a little bit more push up there. Now we're going back down. I might have missed it. I might have missed the entry there. I mean, I've been saying that it's totally possible that Dean is not a teenager and he's been trolling us. So either way, I can't be wrong. Foolproof. Do you guys want to see paper passport or something? No, I think we believe you because you can't afford an eval, so that checks out. Unless you're like homeless, like Travis was. Do you think I would be homeless and coming here every day and being #1 chatter? It's possible. I mean, you have all the time in the world if you're homeless. And getting a phone that has internet is pretty affordable these days, I think. My view is still bearish. I hope it's bearish because I want this short to work out here. If I was homeless, I would wash dishes for an eval. And you can't do that right now because you can't go work at McDonald's or something like Trump. If I was a teen, I'd try to win giveaway. That is true. I think that checks out as well. I think that fits the teen profile. Not wanting to do any work. Want free stuff. Yeah. That checks out. I mean, I was the same way, right? So I know. You think I want to work in McDonald's? Come on. Maybe it's not coming up. Or maybe it is. Or maybe it's not. Yep, I missed it. I missed it by how many ticks? It's probably a lot because the volume is so crazy. 6 ticks. Missed the trade by 6 ticks there. $14 short, yeah. I was off by 2 points. 700 red day in my 50k account, but 2500 in my 250k account. Okay. 700 though on 50k, that's a lot. That's like almost half. Like a third of the drawdown. But you rarely end the day red, so I think you're good. I needed a higher pop to put my risk at the right location. We still have 19 minutes. Maybe we could come up now. So I'm basically looking for getting tagged here, and then my TP's like right here, right? So I'm, even if we end up going up, like going long from here, I just want tag me, sweep the highs, go down, tag me out, exit the trade, and then go up. That'd be cool. You still like 22 short? 22 short. So basically at the purple line. I'll just take it and start over tomorrow. I'm still over 1,000 in profit, so no rush. Yeah. You're good, man. Don't try to overtrade. I know you want answers right now, but you're not going to get it. Oh, actually, if you keep trading, you will get an answer, but it's going to be an answer that you won't like. That's for sure. You got to be able to go to sleep without knowing the answer. If we fail to expand below IB low, I would be looking too long. 380. Ola with the 388 again. Thanks for the reminder. We're almost there, so. I don't know. I think the AI bubble might have popped. It just, all the chip stocks are just crashing hard. Micron down, broke the 800s. SanDisk 8% down, almost at $1,000. What was the highest, all-time highs for SanDisk? 2,300, and now it's 1,000, so it lost more than 50% in pretty much in like a month. Holy crap. Minus 50% in a month. Sheesh. Oil is up 7%. Chipotle up 1.5%, man. I feel like when every stock is down, Chipotle is always up. When should I trade until? Probably like 1. Stop trading at like 1. I would guess. Because 12 o'clock on FOMC day could get juicy. Could. It is coming up. Never mind. Getting rejected right there. We're just stair stepping down. Slowly but surely. I haven't seen this in a while. It's like a waterfall. Bear flag down, bear flag down, bear flag down. $50 in loss. That is not bad at all. I'm done trading for today, but it's still very bearish. I wouldn't buy at least for the next hour unless you're scalping. I mean, I'm bearish as well, and I picked a level to go short at. We'll see. Because like usually I end up getting the direction right, but it's just matter of entry. And I happen to go short whenever we get a crazy pullback, but end up going down anyway after tagging me out. So you're using ES, widen your stop and enter off a 15-minute, you'll hit your mark. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I widen my stop very much from 20 ticks to 35 now. And I may change that more later on. Nine minutes to get filled, so I don't think this is gonna happen unless we like go up like crazy in 9 minutes, which is probably not a good sign for my short. To me, 1 minute is harder to be accurate. Yeah, I don't disagree. we're getting a pop here. Let's see how far we're gonna get this. Right there is like my target. Six minutes left. All right, looks like I'm not gonna get filled. $15-minute pulling back, it'll drop back down. I don't mind going to the next hour. Yo, what's up, Drew? Mr. Payout over here. Pretty happy with that one? Yeah, man. Good job. Get that payout. Why is my sell limit there? Because I'm trying to short right there. But the price almost missed it right here. I missed it by 6 ticks. This is the last candle. Why that level? You know, I'm just vibe trading. I just feel like that's a good level. Alright, I'm about to cancel it. If it goes back up there, wouldn't that be a break of structure? Or it could be a liquidity sweep. Who knows? Plus, like, I'm not even shorting there to say, oh, it's going to go down from here, right? Because, like, my target would have been, like, only right here. So even if, like you say, it's a break of structure and we do end up going up, I don't even need it to go down anywhere near. I just need to go down to here. All right, cancel that trade. Time to move on. Next trade. God, my mouse is like killing me over here. Today is the last day to get 100K intraday accounts for $59 all in on Apex. ever watch Money Live Trading Expert content? That's an interesting name. She's Indian and it's in Hindu. So you have to go back to watch it in English. She's by far the best I've seen technically. If it's not in English, I probably won't watch it. Planning too long? Nope. We're inside the range. That sounds like her title sounds like a SEO title. Like let's put in all the keywords, all the buzzwords into a title. Money Live Trading Expert. You long 98 to 410. Nice. 10 points. 12 points. Speaking of Apex, does anybody want Apex accounts? $10 points pay the bills. I would say even 5 points pay the bills. You do? Want as in free? Kind of free, because you have to pay the activation fee. All right. I don't want ads. Come on. All right, I picked a number, okay? I picked a number. Wait. I didn't pick a number. Hold on. Everybody's like, what's the number? Yeah, this is for Apex. Wait, Drew wants an Apex? Wait, why is Scott here? Isn't Scott supposed to be at the fishing trip? Drew, okay. Drew, if you win, you can donate it to someone. I think if I mess with the list now, I'm gonna lose it. I'll do first place and last place as always. Oh, Jeromy's here too. Okay. Bad weather today? Okay. These guys spawn in giveaway time? Yeah, I don't know. I think we have a spotter in the room right now. We have a spotter that listens to me for a giveaway and then types in the Discord, hey, he's doing a giveaway right now. Get in right now. I'm not the rat. You're not in the race? Why didn't you get in the race? Oh, you didn't put an exclamation mark, man. Alright, who's the doctor? Who's the Dr. Duck? Prophet Paul's God's grace. Oh my god, are you here? Prophet Paul's God's grace. Alright, he's here, cool. Pass these lucid evals that I got using code RDT. Oh, nice. Get that payout, man. You did afterwards? It was probably too late, man. I only give 30 seconds. And it's for your benefit. Even though it doesn't seem like it, we're trying to cut down on the bots. People love the duckies. Alright, last place for this one. Alright, last place. Raf. Pretty sure Raf is here. There were 24 people watching on stream when you were doing giveaways. Yeah, now there's only 13. Alright, Raf is here. Cool. Thanks for playing, guys. Weekly giveaways for the win. Next one's gonna be Lucid, but I can't tell you when that's gonna be. I'm just saying. All right, if you're a winner, reach out to me on Discord. Open a support ticket. You guys know the drill. Yeah, not today. I can't do 2 giveaways in the same day. I haven't even won. I did this just so I can ask for more. Right? I don't want to hold on to them for too long. Was this Apex or Lucid today? It was Apex. If you don't want it, you can donate it to someone here if you wish. Try to get affiliate with Tradeify. I mean, I can get Tradeify affiliate. I just choose not to because they have there in their contract that whatever content I make, it's their property if I have Tradeify in it. So I'm not gonna agree to that. Sorry. Bella Kim is a great manager at Apex if you don't have one yet. I do have one and it is not Bella Kim. But mine's pretty good. I like him. 24 to 13. Yeah, I think just don't trust those. Don't trust the like number. Don't trust the viewer number. It's never right. It's always rigged. I learned that when my like count went from 35 to 7 after the giveaway was over. There's a recording of that somewhere. That's when I learned I should never do a giveaway based on a like number because it could be inflated so easily by bots and be taken away right after. That was something I never thought people took away their likes. Yeah, that is weird. It would be one thing if it was just inflated by bots and stay there, but they took it away. They're like, nope, I didn't win, so I'm gonna take it away. Missed the giveaway. You're gonna miss some. You're gonna be there for some. You know, that's what makes it spicy. Gotta keep you on your toes. Yeah, that was pretty rude. Not gonna lie. Alright, I think the chop has started now. I feel like it's not gonna go anywhere until FOMC. Jerome, are you here? Thank you for the fish pics. Okay, you're here. Red grouper. That's cool. It was too small. Did you say you're in Florida? Liking that 22 short. I want to see if it reacts off of 16. Yes? Okay. You're not missing much, Dromy. I definitely don't mind the break. Yeah. I think that's another thing that I'm starting to learn. I used to be like, oh, I can't miss any days. You know, what if I miss a crazy green day? But it's just like, it doesn't matter, bro. But even if I say that, I haven't taken a break. I've been live every trading day. And even before that, I probably haven't taken a break since like 2023. You know? I mean, I might have missed a day here and there, maybe like the afternoon trading if I had some kind of emergency, but I've never like consciously took a break from trading. And what do I have to show for it? Nothing, you know? Only some weird metric that I've traded every day. Oh, good for me. Even if you miss these candles, we'll still be there. Yeah. I say I don't feel FOMO, but it's like when I don't trade or when I take a day off, it's like I do feel that FOMO. No, I'm like there'll definitely be another one around the corner. Yeah. I got a perfect attendance award. Yes. I'm so cool. But it's not I don't know. Maybe I'm just like making stupid justifications, but I feel like I'm not missing out on anything by not taking a break, but at the same time I could regret it later in life, right? So I don't know. I enjoy it. You know, it's not like I'm stressing. I am stressing, but at the same time I enjoy this. That's why I show up every day. So what can you do? It's not like I'm canceling a bunch of trips just so I can trade. I'm not even planning on it. So am I really missing out on anything? Yeah, gold star for me. Whoop-de-doo, you showed up every day and you lost 15K. Good job, man. But like I said, I enjoy this, so. Let's just say I'm not as adamant about taking breaks anymore, so I think that's a win. That's a small win. I guess Lucid is officially coming out with Lucid Daily now. Doing something consistently is an indicator of success. Just be sure to check in on the occasion to define success to you. Yeah. I mean, I'm happy with everything except that except the money part, right? I want that payout. Well, I'm not like going degen mode for the payouts, but still, it's about time I get one. It's been a while, okay? $30 of nothing. All right, Kevin, I'll see you tomorrow. You'll trade later on today? Oh, be careful. Probably going to give it one more hour, and then I'm going to be done trading. You need a nap? Yeah, me too. You just keep on waiting. Keep on waiting for the 388 long. Now market will consolidate, then a fall. Have you gotten any payouts yet? I have not. I'm poor AF. I'm poorer than the poor guy. The guy named poor guy in here. Let's dial in and get some money. That's what I'm hoping. I'm trying to dial in. I appreciate it, man. Good luck to you as well on your journey. Have I tried funding next futures? I have not. Their Rapid Pro plan looks pretty enticing. I don't really know about that plan, but I'm sure, there's plenty of options out there on every firm. All right, Jerome. Have a good trip, rest of your trip. My funding features is good too. Yes, they're very good. That I can vouch for. Everyone like the stream. Yes, and don't take it away later. This job is the death of me. Look how small the 1 hour candle is. I mean, we might pick up some speed now that we only have 20 minutes left. I wonder who said we would chop. Definitely not you. That's for show. Alright, Dean, I'll see you tomorrow. $11.45, get ready to short it. All right, I'm gonna head out, guys. This isn't doing anything. I'll give it 1 more hour to possibly take a trade off stream, but you know, I'm gonna stay away during FOMC. So good luck if you're gonna keep trading. I'll be back tomorrow. And if I happen to win a trade here and there, I'll post about it and show off. But if I lose, I'm gonna quietly not say anything. You know how I do it. You'll wait for your level. All right, let's see if we hit 388 today. All right, see you, Mehdi. MDA. An upcoming short. All right, I'll look for an upcoming short. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.